Oh, hi there, everyone. This is your Jamaican girl. Welcome to my kitchen. I'll be walking in my mother's shoes by sharing her recipes with you. Alright, family and friends, I invite you to stay tuned for the entire video. Today, I will be doing a vegan meatloaf for you. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you have not already done so, and welcome to my new subscribers. Thank you for making it Wim's Kitchen. To start this recipe, guys, I've soaked 2 slices of bread in some soy milk, guys, and then I move straight to blend my seasoning. Now, guys, if you've been wondering, the secret to any Jamaican food is all in that herbs and spices that we blend together. Now, guys, I move straight to squeeze in the milk from the bread, guys, and then I place this bread in a bowl. Guys, I then move to blend in my chickpea. I roughly blend the chickpea, guys. I pour it in the container with the bread and then move straight to blend my oats, guys. I do this until it is smooth and then I add 3/4 of it to the bowl. It is at this point that I add in my dry herbs and spices, guys. And you see the paprika here? Yeah, and of course my allspice. It is a must. Next, guys, I add to that my green blended seasoning, 2 eggs, guys. I added to my mustard, my soy sauce, guys, and a generous amount of my teriyaki sauce. Now, family and friends, you want to get into this nicely, guys, and give it a good old massage, guys. Rub it all in. I then add to that my breadcrumbs and a generous amount of bulgur. It is my rice substitute, guys, and I combine this. Now, guys, you want to get that sticky, yeah, dough-like texture. That's what you want, and that's when you know that your veggie loaf is coming all together. Next, guys, I remove it from the side by adding some more breadcrumb, guys, and then I spray my loaf pan with some non-stick spray, guys, and yeah, this is what you want it to look like. I smooth this out in the pan, guys, and I push it towards the edges to make sure I get my loaf looking like a loaf. Guys, I move straight to my sauce, and guys, you can pause the video and see all the ingredients that I have used to make this sauce. I pour on a generous amount of this on the top of my loaf, guys, and then I use my brush and brush it evenly. Guys, you want to put on 2 layers of sauce on this because you don't want a dry veggie loaf, guys. I then put it into my oven, bake at 375 degrees for 30 minutes. Now, after 30 minutes, look on this. I'm going to tell you, look good, smell good, can't wait for dig in. Goodness, guys. I use my knife to test it. It comes out clean, and then, guys, I know it is all done. I then remove the foil from the side, guys, and then of course you want to add some more of that sauce right around it, guys, so we get that nice juicy veggie loaf when it is cut. Now, guys, look on this. I'm gonna tell you, yeah, veggie loaf never looked good so yet. Guys, it was my absolute pleasure doing this for you. I hope you enjoy the time that you spend with me in the kitchen. I want to thank my new subscribers for coming with me on this my cooking experience. I invite you to like, share, comment, guys. Tell me where you've watched from, and I will leave for you an extra special Jamaican big up. Please share my channel with your friends and encourage them too to subscribe. Of course, turn on your post notification. And it was once again another of my mother's favorite from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. I'll see you next week, guys. Love, 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 love. Mwah, love you. I'll see you next week.